Good afternoon, everyone. Again, this is Dr. Adhikari. I'm going to deliver our first virtual lecture tomorrow, Wednesday, March 18 at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. We will be using Cisco Webex for this purpose. We will cover the first 23 slides from Module 8. The lecture will take about 50 minutes and we will spend another 10 to 15 minutes for questions and answers. For a better connection, you may want to use Ethernet cable, while I will try to record the lecture and post it on the course site in case if you cannot make it. You will also have an opportunity to record it by yourself using record button. You can also ask questions by using chat tools. So what you have to do for participating in the virtual class, from the Canvas course side, click on Cisco Webex. This is our Canvas course site. These are the navigation panels. So from here, click on Cisco Webex. You will see two tabs on the top. One is the virtual meeting and then for the office hours. Click on virtual meetings and click on join. The office hours tab can be used to make appointments. That's pretty much everything for the preparation for the tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my virtual classroom tomorrow.